Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display you're getting an E54 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you can do to get rid of it. So there's kind of a two-step process to trying to fix this. First of all, what it is that the part of the control board that senses the motor, that sort of detects what's going on with the motor, there's a failure there. So you're going to want to first do a hard reset on your dryer, and if that doesn't work, you're going to need to replace your control board. So to do a hard reset, you're just going to turn your dryer off and disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes, and then turn it back on and see if that doesn't clear out the error. If that does not clear out the error, then you want to move on to step 2, which is to actually replace the control board because there's a failure on the control board. If you want to get into doing that, that's kind of a separate issue. I will put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the control board.